Hey, I'm Fish. I gotta get to a store. I forgot to measure the wood. I know it's like a 2x8. I'm gonna pick some up. So I got my Fish's settings that I like with the camera with the manual auto white balance to 5600. Indoor, outdoor, night shots. It gives it that golden look. Now I'm wondering if everybody doesn't like, oh man, you got it, the golden hour. My mic is not on. Let me put it on for you. Get to where we need to be at, in the store. I could carry the 2 pieces of wood. I'm just gonna get a cart. I don't want to carry 2 pieces of heavy wood. Man, that went up $5 because it's 5 more gallons. 0.5 that is. That's not bad. $400, $500, $600, $800. This is the one to get. The E325. What I got on now? Subject tracking? I'm walking across where I need to be at. Wood! 2x10x8 is 1568. But 2x8 is 1138. And I had to go find it, then paying over here, which I could get for 1408. I would have gotten a 2x12 instead. That would have suited me fine. Taking a guess, it could have been 22 and change, as there are no prices on it. Going, getting, finishing up, back to the car, and off we go. Oh man, I got light set up for me. Lights, camera, action. I didn't shut off my camera. Somebody shut it off for me. I'm not sure how that happened. Oh man, I'm glad I got the 2x8. You gotta watch out for all these freaking nails and screws and things here. Unbelievable, man. I gotta go lift this up. Snap it on in. One more to do. There I go. Slide it on in, close it on up, get on going. Close the door. Look at this car. All right, I gotta put 2 pieces of wood together. I may have to come back and, get some more, but we'll see what we got. These things, running a light, just like that, right in front of the camera. And on that note, yeah, baby, hope you have a beautiful day like that guy did. Have a great one. What just happened to the TV set? I'm running this test on the channel. We're here to clean up 3 number of speeds, slow. As we dial in, we can increase. So you may know I gotta jump on Ohio Fred. Oh, is my mic on? I think it's shut off. Ohio Fred, he needs to get in the act, man. You want to make a challenge? Let's do some strawberries. You know we had a winter. Come over here. Let's see if we can see strawberries right there. Look at them popping up out of nowhere. Now, we know we had snowball bushes. Look at this bad boy right here. I can't get any closer than 18 inches. Snowball bush. Maybe some of these things are dead. Oh man, that's a dead branch. But you get the idea. I think I had peppers and tomatoes. Nothing growing up yet, but I'm all cleaned up. And this one, I'm not sure if it's going to be tomatoes or not coming up. But we got sedum popping up and they're coming up. The snowball bush is going to come alive, as you saw. The others did. So there I am. But did you take note of what I was showing you and what we did earlier before? We went to Home Depot. I put a piece of wood, went across, put some more wood, went across, put some more wood. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do at that corner, if I'm going to build off a little shelf, make a little hanger, put something on top of it. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just cut it down. But I got all 4 red barrels on. I didn't expect to get all 4. I was expecting to get 3. I'm proud of it. With leftover wood, I did a mighty fine job. And on that note, I got a lot of editing to do. Later.